Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Lavish Techs. In this video, we're going to be knowing about Nothing Phone 1 which has been recently launched, and also please make sure to like this video and share this video to your loved ones, and please make sure to subscribe this channel so it will be useful to know more and more about technology, and comment down below your suggestions. So come on, let's now hop into the video. So the Nothing brand has officially launched their Nothing Phone 1 and is one of the biggest launches in the smartphone space. This phone is a completely transparent phone as in its name. It has a transparent background where you can have a clear view of the internal parts of the mobile phone, and it's crazy to have a phone like this. And this phone looks slightly like an iPhone. They have introduced a glimpse interface in this phone where you have 900 LEDs in the background arranged correspondingly. This phone has a 6.5-inch flexible OLED display. The phone is made using Corning Gorilla Glass and is packed with HDR10 plus 10-bit color depth, Full HD plus pixel resolution at 402 ppi, and it has 500 nits of brightness and 1200 nits peak brightness. This phone comes with two color variants. The one is black and another is white. The glimpse interface, which is the lights in the background of the phone, this gives you the uniqueness of this mobile phone, where you get a call and the lights in the background blink according to your ringtone, and when you charge the phone, the light blinks accordingly and blinks for whatever you do with this mobile phone. They provide you a Type-C charging port, and it has a speaker grills in the bottom and a SIM tray at the bottom of the phone. As I already said, this phone is looking like an iPhone, where the difference between these both phones are just the background, and other than that everything is same. The same two cameras and everything, and the same There's up and down volume rockers key on the left side and the power button on the right side. In the box, you get Nothing Phone 1, Type-C cable, and safety information and warranty card, a screen protector which is pre-applied, and you have SIM ejecting key. Now let's see about the camera. This phone comes with dual 50 megapixel cameras. One is 50 megapixel, another is also 50 megapixel, and you have 16 megapixel front camera. You can record 4K videos at 30 fps and HD videos at 30 to 60 fps. This phone comes with 4500 mAh battery, and with 33 watts wired charging, you can fully charge the phone in 17 minutes. It has 3 high definition mics and dual stereo speakers. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus chipset. It has IP53 splash water and dust resistance. It has face and finger lock and dual SIM. And overall, this phone is a 5G mobile phone, and it is made using 100% recycled aluminium, and also with 50% of the plastic components is coming from the bio-based and recycled sources. Now let's see the RAM and ROM variations. So they give you 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. It has 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz of touch sampling rate. So what makes this phone a huge hype is its pricing for all of these features they have given in this phone. So what do you think of the price will be? The Nothing Phone 1 prices is starting from $399. So what do you think? Will you buy this phone? Comment down below. So that's it about this mobile phone. We have come to the end of the video. So thank you for watching the video till the end. A big thanks. And also please make sure to like this video, because your likes are a great thing. And also comment down below about the video, and please provide us with more suggestions. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get more and more videos about technology and more information. And share this video to your friends and loved ones so they can also enjoy watching and learn more and more. So learn more, know more, do more. This is Mohammed Nufil signing off from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.